Think about it. You open your eyes every day and you have nothing. No money, no connections, no support, no guarantee. Absolutely zero. But there is one thing you still have, and that is your breath and a calm mind. In life, the most dangerous thing is not failure. The dangerous thing is the comfort zone. Even when we have everything, we stop. But when everything is taken away, then a person rises with true strength. Starting from zero is not a weakness, it's a gift. Because zero has only one direction, to lift yourself up. If tomorrow morning you are at zero, then your biggest superpower will be to leave your entire past behind. No comparisons, no pressure, no expectations. Just a small goal and a desire to do something. But believe me, this true version can shake the world. Imagine, you get out of bed, you don't have a phone in your hand, no social media, no distractions. Just one question. What is the first step I need to take today? And remember, 10 years from now, people will judge you based on today's first step. They won't remember your zero. They will remember your rise. If tomorrow you start from absolutely zero, then you won't complain, you won't compare, you won't wait. You will just start. Because when everything is taken away, you realize that the only important thing in life is one decision: to move forward. Imagine, tomorrow you wake up and decide that from today, I will not copy my old life. I will create a new life. Whether you are a student, a worker, doing business, or looking for a job, today can rewrite your entire story. You may have thought about starting many times, but distractions, problems, what people say, fear of failure have all held you back. But when you are at zero, then fear is also zero. You have nothing to lose, so losing also means nothing. And when a person has nothing to lose, then they become the most dangerous creator in the world. Tomorrow, you can make a promise that no matter how long it takes, you will give your life the direction your heart says. You will learn, fall, rise, and then learn again. And one day you will look back and understand that the decision to start from zero was the biggest turning point of your life. The meaning of your new morning is new mindset, new energy, new focus, and new you. If tomorrow you start from zero, then one thing is certain. You will stop making excuses. You will stop blaming. You will stop waiting. You will take responsibility for your life. The day a person takes the driver's seat of their life, from that day, their victory is assured. Starting from zero means proving yourself every day, taking yourself to a new level every day, becoming a new version every day. And one day when people see your success, they will only see your glow today. But you will know that the beginning of this glow was on that day, when you woke up ready to start from zero. If you start from zero, then from today, you don't ask for permission from anyone. You don't wait for anyone. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. There is only one mission: to win over yourself. And remember, the day a person conquers themselves, winning the world is just a matter of time. If tomorrow morning you are at zero, then say to yourself once, I am starting. Whether someone is with me or not, whether someone understands or not. But this time I will not stop. Don't underestimate zero. Love zero, because it is from zero that billions are made. It is from zero that legacies are created. And it is from zero that those people emerge about whom the world says, "This man started from nothing, and look where he has reached." Tomorrow morning, the reset button of your life could be pressed. Just remember one thing. Starting from zero is not everyone's chance, but those who do start, one day they become a story. Your story can also be written. You just need to wake up in the morning and make a decision. From today, my life is new, and I am new too. I want to do something in life. I don't want to just pass through life. This is the real magic of starting from zero. Go to sleep tonight. A new life is waiting for you tomorrow. You must promise yourself to sleep with this commitment. Only then can you fulfill your dreams. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only, for the students who want to improve your English. It has nothing to do with reality. Hey, if you like this story, please share it with your friends and family. Give it a like and a loving thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel.